pick up some material. Networking with my guys today. It's nice out here. You know, you never know. Sometimes if you can come down here, and you might, especially when you're working on a do-it-yourself type of kid, or you're trying to figure something out, and you don't want to just buy the full size and have them cut it because it costs more. But you can come right over here, and you can look at their they rim pieces, or the drops or whatnot, whatever you want to call them, and you might find what you need just over there, and they'll sell it to you by the pound. So it's a win-win situation if you want to network. You just got to think outside of the box and figure out ways to make it happen. Hog on.